Okay, so what we're going to do right now is we're going to watch a video. This is Dr. Ball, and she is teaching. So when you kind of, just to give you a little bit of scope of what you're going to see, because it's not a traditional classroom. So she would spend a week here in Grand Rapids working with, there's about 31 kids in this classroom. They're at Steelcase University on 44th Street. So the kids are, you know, in a kind of a U. And then behind the kids are bleachers with people from all over the world watching her teach. I'm pretty sure they're fifth graders going into middle school is I think how old those kids are. And these kids in particular, this was 2 summers ago, and they are from Grand Rapids, Wyoming, and I always get confused if it's Godfrey or Godwin. I'm going to go with Godfrey, but one of those 2 schools. So that's where the kids come from. They're bused there every day. Class starts at 9:30 for us. They get there at 9, and they have like a homeroom, and they have a whole check-in process. Dr. Ball would do a pre-briefing with all the people that were there watching. Then she would go in and teach for the day. The kids were there receiving instruction until lunchtime. And then after that, the kids would go to lunch, and we would have a debriefing with Dr. Ball. So just so you kind of know how, you know, why are there microphones on the tables? That's because this is all part of the research that she does. So we're just going to watch it this first time. I'm not going to give you an assignment around watching it, but we will watch it again, just so you know, just because there's things that you have to get out of your way before you can actually focus in on what she's doing. But no, this is day 2 or 3 with the kids, and she's teaching them, it's math. You're talking to the math consultant now, so it's math time. And she is teaching them about positive and negative numbers. And it starts off with a question by a girl named Ryan. She's over on the left, and you won't hear it right away, but Dr. Ball has her repeat it. So just to kind of, and again, this is kind of in the middle. This is not going to give you a whole scope of a lesson. It's only just a 5-minute video to see what kinds of strategies she's using in her classroom.